how to sign out of Apple ID on the iPhone. Now first, on the home screen, tap on Settings. Then in the Settings page, at the top here, tap on your Apple account. After that, we scroll down to the bottom and tap on Sign Out. Here, you want to select Sign Out, but don't erase. If you choose to erase this iPhone, then your data will be lost. So select Sign Out, but don't erase. After that, tap on Continued. In here, choose whether you want to keep this data, learn how to keep this data, or continue anyway. So I will choose Continue anyway. Here, say these items will be removed, your Apple account, and Find My. So tap on the Continue button. Then you need to enter in the password, the account password. Put in the account password and then tap on the tick button here. If you entered incorrectly, you need to do it again. And here it is now signing out. Now, if you are unable to sign out, then it could be a screen time restriction. So in Settings, scroll down and tap on Screen Time. In here, you want to go into Content and Privacy Restrictions. Make sure you turn this off. If it is on, then go down to Account Changes. So if you scroll down to Account Changes in here, and make sure you allow changes to your account. Otherwise, simply just turn off Content and Privacy Restrictions, or you can simply turn off Screen Time altogether if it has a password on it. So here, if it has a passcode, you want to switch it off, and that should allow you to sign out of your Apple ID. Thank you for watching this video.